Welcome to the Cbt demonstration video on how to create, maintain, and modify a table of contents in Microsoft Word 2010. Once we open up our starter file, we can take a look and see what's in it. We're going to see three headers: Chapter 1.0, Chapter 1.1, and finally Chapter 1.2. We're going to add these three headers to the table of contents which we're about to create. If we scroll back up to the top of the page, we'll see some text. We can select the text and then go under the Reference tab, Table of Contents, Automatic Table 1. It will give us a tip on how to add or remove items, and we simply hit OK to get past this. Now we have an empty table of contents. If we scroll down the page a bit, we'll see a bit of a gap. If we select the gap and hit delete twice, we can get rid of it. And now we're going to select Chapter 1.0. Under the Reference tab again, go to the Add Text and select the Level 1 header. Now we have a Level 1 header to add to the table of contents. If we scroll back up and select Update Table, we'll see Chapter 1.0 is now on the table of contents, as well as the page number. If we scroll back down, we'll see another gap has been created, and we simply get rid of that gap and continue scrolling down. Now we can highlight the Chapter 1.1 heading, and once again under the References tab, add text, only this time level 2. Now we have a level 2 header to add to the table of contents. If we scroll back up to the top and select the table of contents, and once again select Update Table, we'll notice this time it gives us a dialog box. Make sure to select the Update the entire table and hit OK. Now we have Chapter 1.1, which is directly below and slightly more indented than Chapter 1.0. If we scroll down to the bottom of the page and go after the last header, we select Chapter 1.2 and once again go under References, Add Text, and this time Level 3. We'll see that this is the smallest header, but it still stands out. If we scroll back up to the top of the page, select the Table of Contents, Update Table, once again update the entire thing and hit OK, we'll see that it's even more indented than the Chapter 1.1. Scroll back down a bit, creates another gap, and get rid of that. Now your documents are probably going to get pretty large, so here's a little tip. If you go through the table of contents and control left click on one of the headings, it will teleport you, if you will, directly to the page that heading is located on. I'm sorry this was so fast. If there's anything left unclear, please stay tuned to the lecture/demonstration next week. Thank you for watching.